Hey guys, what is up? So today we're gonna be doing an easy, delicious, and amazing recipe today. So we're gonna go hiking first, and then we're gonna cook. So let's go. Alright guys, now I'm back home and I'm gonna show you this easy pan seared scallop with a garlic white wine sauce. Okay, this is amazing to go with some pasta or on top of some mashed potatoes or something. Okay, so let's go. Hello. So first off, with this nice scallop recipe, let's get 7 large sea scallops, just like so. You want them to be nice and large so they won't dry out while we cook them. So just go ahead, dry them both sides, and we're gonna season both sides of the scallops generously with salt, okay? This will help give out the nice scallop flavor. Now, if you be shy with the salt, then guess what? You're gonna have a horrible dish. So, yeah. So flip it over, now season the other side, and we're also gonna throw some other spices as well. I'm gonna do some fresh ground pepper, and you could really add any spices to this like you want, okay? Don't follow what I do. Follow what you like. So season both sides with black pepper, and we're also gonna throw in some cayenne pepper later. But heat up a pan at medium-high heat. Let's add in some basting oil, but if you don't have any basting oil, just use 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Just put it in like so. Make sure the whole layer is covered. And we're gonna let this heat up for around 3 minutes until it starts smoking. When your pan starts smoking like now, we're gonna start adding in the scallop. Just put it in, and at medium to high heat, we are gonna let each side cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. Now this is depending on how long it takes for your scallops to make the crust. So as you can see, they are frying up, just like so. And now we're gonna check if it's done. So I tried lifting one and it didn't lift up. That means the crust is still forming, so do not lift it up. Check in like another minute and boom, you got a perfect crust for your scallop. And this will be amazing. If you rush it, then guess what? You messed up. Just flip everyone like so. And then just leave it here for another 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, next off, you're going to add a tablespoon of butter after your 2 minutes is done. And you're going to want to make sure it's everywhere. Now we're going to do some cayenne pepper. And we're basically going to let this cook for another 30 seconds. And we're also going to add in 2 cloves of crushed garlic or grated. And you just want to infuse the butter a little bit and just leave it in there for around 10 seconds. And once it's done, you're just going to want to remove it so it doesn't burn. And we're going to start basting our butter. Just go ahead and remove the garlic like so. And we're also going to add in a 1/4 lemon worth of juice. Just add in like so. Be careful. And now start basting. Just baste it for around 10 seconds. Cover each garlic with the amazing sauce. And now we're gonna add in about a 1/4 cup of white wine to finish off our sauce. Just go ahead and add it in like so. Let it reduce down for around 10 seconds. And once it's done, look how gorgeous it looks. Just go ahead and plate it up. I'm just spreading them out evenly, and I'm gonna add in the garlic just around it as some decoration. You can eat it if you want. If you don't, then throw it out. Alright, now I'm just gonna spoon a little bit of the rich sauce. Just make a little nice design with it. I'm preferring not to really eat it because it is loaded with butter and I'm not trying to get fat. But look at all those natural juices that come out of the scallop after you cook it. Like, that's all you need. Season it with some fresh parsley, and basically we got ourselves an amazing scallop dish. Now let's go taste test. Alright guys, here we go. Got a pretty big scallop, as you can tell. Look how amazing. Okay, the light is like beaming right into the camera. Okay, so let's give it a taste test. It is very thick, and look how much flavor this thing has. Well cooked in it, seasoned really well. So sweet. Amazing. You can use this in a pasta dish, seafood pasta or anything. But listen, you must use a cast iron pan to get the crust that is really amazing. A little bit of the garlic. Sorry. This is amazing. Oh, can't show you. Oh, amazing salad dish. Okay, this dish costed under $9 to make. Actually, under $7 or $6 to make, right? And if you go to a seafood restaurant and get like 8 scallops, they're already gonna charge you around like $27, $30, right? So this is an easy dish, and you get the restaurant quality that you basically get, and it's really affordable. So that is it. Please be sure to subscribe and drop a like.